Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So this is website www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the driver. After that, this is search icon and then enter your graphic card model number. GeForce RTX 4080 Super AERO 16G, and then click on the product. And this is your graphic card. Just click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations processing, and this is driver, this is version, this is size, and this is latest date, and this is download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It will take some time. Windows 10 and 11 Windows take 5 to 10 minutes and depend upon your internet. If you are internet good, so you can. And after that, click on three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.